So welcome to my video. So we are going to create the next activity, the activity number 3, which we are going to create 4 circles with a different design. So the first step that we need to do is that we have to set the snap into 0.5. So type snap, enter. Since naka 0.5 na siya, we have to enter it, enter. And then the next step is that we have to create 4 boxes. So, ang size ng boxes natin is 6.5. So, type rec, enter, and then click here. Shift at 6.5, comma, negative 6.5. Then, enter. And then, you just have to copy. Click here, the base point, and then we have here 2.5 space, and then here is 1. Enter. And then we have to proceed to the first box. The first step is that we have to click the line and then click at the midpoint at the upper part and drag here. Down here, enter, and click the circle, click 2P, and dito sa taas, down here, ang size ng circle natin is 2.1, 13, 6, and 7. 2.1. So in order for us to locate or to identify the exact measurements of the circle, so we divided the 6.5 into 3 in order to identify its exact measurement. So click the circle, and then the next step is that we have to type array, enter, click polar, and then specify center point of array here at the center point of the box, then enter. And then we have to create another circle diameter at the midpoint. So the size of the circle is 1.08 and 3. 1.08. And then another circle here at the center point down here. And we are done with our first circle. So we just have to delete this line. And we have to proceed to the next box. In this second drawing, we have to create 16 small circles. So the first step is we have to click line and click at the corner, both corner of the boxes, and here at the midpoint. And then we have to click circle into different any size of the circle is valid for this box. Click, and then we just have to copy circle, copy. So we just have to copy the circles, 4 circles into 16. We have the 16 circles. Circle, click 2P from the end point down here. Yan. And then, kailangan natin siyang ilagay at the midpoint. So, in order to do that, we have to move it. But first, we have to create line from here to locate its midpoint. Then enter, and then highlight. except the lines. And then click move, click the midpoint, ayan. Then click here at the center point of the box. So we are done, and so we are going to highlight it except the lines, and then click scale, click at the space point, click reference, click at the midpoint here and then here, enter, and then we just have to delete the lines. So we are going to proceed to the next drawing. So first step is we have to click line from this corner and to the next corner, enter, and another line from here at the midpoint, and enter. So the next step is to click this line and then type array, enter, click polar, click at the center point, and then you can see here the items, click 12, then enter. Then next is circle, click circle, click 2p from here down here at the midpoint, and then another one, click the end point down here at the midpoint and enter, and then delete the lines. And next is to trim. Yan, trim na natin, and as you can see, makita natin parang moon shape. So we have to highlight it, and then next is array, polar, click at the center point, and then we have to change the items into 12, enter, and then click circle again from here at the midpoint down here. And then all we have to do is to trim this sum of excess lines. In order for us to delete or to trim, we have to click this object and then type explode, then enter. And we have to trim now. Trim natin. And so we are done with the third drawing. So the last drawing is just like what we did on the second box. So we have to click line from this corner and here, and at the midpoint. And then we have to create circle. We have to click the circle, click at the center point, and any size of the circle is valid. And we just have to copy the circle. And another circle, click 2p, and enter. And we have to use the scale. So highlight this object, except the lines, then click scale, click the base point, and then click reference, click the center point again from here, the second point, and then to the new length, And we are done with the fourth drawing. So we just have to delete the lines. And the last thing we need to do is to delete the boxes. And so we are done with our activity. Thank you for watching.